To create rounded corners in Premiere Pro, start by adding a video clip to your timeline. Move your video clip to the Video 2 layer. Then, in your Project panel, right-click and select New Item, followed by Color Matte. Drag this color matte below your video clip and extend it to match its duration. Select your video clip on the timeline and navigate to Effect Controls. Lower the scale values so you can see the color matte behind it. Head to the Effects panel and search for Roughen Edges. Drag this effect onto your video clip. Under Effect Controls, adjust the following values: Edge type to Cut, Border to 500, Sharpness to 10, and Fractal Influence to 0. These settings will give your video a rounded corners effect. With just a few simple steps, you can create rounded corners in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.